So what is attribute and how many types of attributes are available, that I'm going to covering first of all. Basically, attributes are used for changes. What it is changing, sir? Tag settings it is going to changing. So every tag they have inbuilt instructions. As per the inbuilt instructions, they are producing the outputs generally. So inbuilt instructions I don't want, sir. I want to replace the settings with my own. That is nothing but an customization of the tags. So 100% we can make the customization, sir, with the support of the attributes. So go to the last example once. This is our last program. And here I'm printing some H3 tag with a small message, demo on settings, a title and icon. But now this message displaying with the black color. And the message was displaying in the left side of the screen. That is called as default settings or inbuilt instructions. But as a developer, that input instructions I don't want, sir. 100% we can make it changes. How can change that one? By using attributes. So attributes nothing but an settings. Whose settings are? Tag settings. Attributes are used to make some changes in tag settings. Attributes are used to make some changes in tag settings. Just for your understandability purpose, one small live example, sir. Suppose mobiles. अरे సౌండ్ వచ్చిపోయింది. సౌండ్ వచ్చింది తప్పంగా. వాళ్ళ పంపిస్తుందా? It's a projector problem. It will take some time. Just listen. This side and balance. You can visible the screen clearly. I think only this corner students only problem. I think. Huh? Okay. We have mobiles. These attributes and the settings both are available in our mobiles. How, sir? We just purchased a new mobile, sir. Brand new mobile. Any company, whatever it may be. MI, Samsung, Apple or something. So when you switch on the mobile the very first time, mobile comes with some inbuilt settings or not? Every company mobile, every model, 1,000 rupees or 10 lakhs rupees are compulsory inbuilt settings are available. What are the inbuilt settings? Ringtone, message tone, lock screen, wallpaper. It's an inbuilt of the mobile that we are not designed anything. It comes along with the software. So every mobile inbuilt settings are available, right? Whenever the switch on the mobile, immediately 70% of users, what they're doing, first time we switched on the mobile, SIM card, memory card, everything inserted. First time we switched on, completely mobile switched on, switching on completed. Next to 70% of public, immediately what they are doing? Settings. That settings, I am also saying, sir. Why you are changing settings? The mobile doesn't have any settings. First time you are making changes. First time you are applying. Are already some settings available. Those we doesn't like, then changing. Second option, we have every setting already in mobile, but those we don't like or it's not suitable to our requirement. So everybody they're making the changes. What are the changes, sir? Very first one changes is ringtone. The first we are changing that one. Reason, normal ringtone, tring, this comes. But we love the songs kada. ఏదో సంథింగ్ తుఫాన్ సాంగ్, ఊలాలా సాంగ్, ఆలాలా సాంగ్, సంథింగ్ లేదో నవ్ డేస్ గర్ల్స్ BTS సాంగ్స్ ఏదో సంథింగ్ దే ఆర్ స్టార్టింగ్. సో రింగ్ టోన్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద రింగ్ టోన్, సార్? వన్ సెట్టింగ్ నేమ్. Opposite the ringtone, we have to select the song name or not. A.mp3. So ringtone is the attribute. A.mp3 is the value of attribute. Compared to our programs. No, sir, this is the setting and this is the song, sir. Yes, as a mobile user, this is setting and this is the song name. But as a programmer, this is attribute name and this is the value of attribute. Programming terminology aithe this is. Observe our step. Programming languages, that is our step. This is the name of the attribute. Or some languages, sir, it's a name of the variable. And this is the value of variable. This is first one. Next, the second one, sir, message tone. Something, something. Next, wallpaper. Next one, lock screen. Next one, themes. Like that, of 10 to 15 settings, we are making changes, right? So, this you know very well, right? Now, the same thing we are performing on tags. Every tag internally, some settings are available. Those we are making changes. How to make the changes, sir? With the support of attributes. This simple concept, sir. This you know, all of you very well. No, sir, this also we don't know first time. Mobile ringtone, or ringtone 1 or ringtone 2, message tone 1, message tone 2. Two SIMs cards. In that SIM card, special contacts available. Some special contacts. A special contacts, special ringtone. Reasons are easy to identify. We are here, mobile in the hall or something where. But with normal ringtone, we are getting some problem. A normal person doing a special person doing the call. 4-5 special numbers available to the boys. For that, for special ringtones. Generally, boys are those. So concept either this one, sir. So now I'm changing into programming pattern. Next, where we can type the attributes, sir. Purpose is this one. So what is the location to write the attributes and what is the place to type the attributes, sir? Tag right side, we have to type the attributes, sir. Our HTML tag available, something tag is comes. Something tag, space, then attributes are going to following. Always attributes we are typing the right side of the tag. If I type the left side, any problem, sir? No, sir, no problem. There's some procedure we have to follow. As per the procedure, first tag name, next attributes. The first is the tag name, next one is the attributes. Then it's not rule, sir, and it's not compulsory. Attributes, we have to specify అది ప్రాజెక్ట్ వస్తా వస్తా సౌండ్ వచ్చిపోయింది. ఇప్పుడు వాళ్ళందరూ లెగవాలుగా మార్చాలండి, వాళ్ళందరూ తీయాలిగా మార్చాలంటే. సరే ఒక హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ చెప్పి పంపిస్తాను. వస్తుంది. See the next point. So attributes we have to specify. So right side of the tag. Point is attributes we have to specify right side of the tag. Next, see the syntax. Angle bracket, regular format, followed by your tag name. Tag name after, take the space and write attribute name equals to value. Tag name, space, attribute equals to value. Then what about the second and third attributes, sir? We can type any number of attributes in the same tag, sir, but every attribute after space required generally. Take the space, second attribute, take the space, third attribute, up to n number of attributes. No limit. And after completion of all attributes, close the tag. After completion of all attributes, close the tag. So this is the basic syntax to type the attributes. No, okay, na? Visible for you. Next, see the small note point here. The first point is space compulsory, sir. Don't neglect that one. Note point one. After every attribute, use space is the guideline one. Next, guideline two. That value is compulsory to write the quotations, sir. The double quotations are used in the syntax value. Is it mandatory, sir? No, sir, it's not mandatory, optional only. Double quotations, if you are not interested, we can use single quotations, no problem. Single quotations also not interested, sir. Remove the quotations. Double quotes accepted, single quotes accepted, and no quotations also accepted. But always suggestible is use double quotes. System supporting, sir, but we are following always the double quotes. So we can write value within double quotes or within single quotes or without quotes. Without quotes. We can write value either within the double quotations or within the single quotations or without quotations also. All are accepted by the browser, but my suggestion is use always double quotes. Try to highlight that one. Next, how many attributes we can write in the after the tag names are? I already said in the syntax, but point wise I'm writing. We can use number of attributes. We can use number of attributes. At a time. We can use number of attributes at a time. So these are the some guidelines and as well as the note points. Next, types of attributes I'm going to explaining now. Theory part I'm explaining. Information directly I'll show in the program. Just names I'm listing. Is there any types of attributes, sir? Yes, sir. We have 3 types of attributes basically. Attributes are divided into the some categories based on purposes. So what are the names of those? The first one is the global attributes. The first category is global attributes. And second model, specific attributes. The second model is specific attributes. And third one is event attributes. Third one is event attributes. Global attributes, specific attributes, event attributes. These are the categories or types of the attributes. All are for settings only, sir, but one model to another model supporting areas are different. Next, I'll write some alternative pronunciations are here. Global attributes we can also call as HTML core attributes. Core Java is there, no? Like that, these are the core attributes. Global attributes, alternative pronunciation, another pronunciation is core attributes. And event attributes, another pronunciation is dynamic attributes. Event attributes, another pronunciation is dynamic attributes. Within the brackets, I mentioned the 2 names, guys, sir. The both are your FAQs. What are the HTML core attributes and what are the HTML dynamic attributes? If you remember the both names, you are in safe zone, sir. Because somebody asking question with this word, somebody asking question with event. If you practice only one terminology, sir, getting some problems. Question answer you know, but pronunciation problems. So marks jump, simple. Then only all possible pronunciations I'm writing here. But second one, sir, second one no alternative name. And now, and moreover, this one not asked anywhere in our interviews. So explain about the core attributes and explain about the dynamic attributes. These two questions are asked so many times in our interviews. Now, what is the meaning and differences of these, sir? Directly, I'll show in the program. Directly in example, I'll explain it. A small comment as usual. Example 6, setting the title and logo, link followed by rel equals to icon, and href equals to logo1.png. Your last class explanations, sir, as still will continue here. Every example, these tags I'm using. Compulsory. Title, logo, compulsory, sir. Reason I can't say that one, but proofs. If you open any website, title compulsory available and logo is also compulsory available. You are never identified or never watching the websites without titles and without logos. So every example, we are also practicing that one. Next, go to the body. H1. A small message I'm printing our subject name, hypertext markup language. This is tag. H1 tag inside, we have already instructions. As per that instructions, it displaying the message. So those instructions, we want to change it right now. This is actual output. But now I want to get this heading in the center of the browser, sir. My browser available. In that browser center, I want to display heading, sir. Possible. I want to display the right side of the browser, sir. Then also possible. So for that, we have to use attributes. The default alignment of the tag is left alignment. The default alignment. The default alignment, I want to change as per my requirement. So apply the attribute and change that one. What is the attribute name, sir? Align equals to center. Observe my typing style as per my guidelines. Align is the attribute that typed in the right side of the tag and with a small space also. By mistake, space missing, what happens, sir? H1 align both now combining, then meaning changing, sir. See that? But is it H1 tag? One, is it align attribute? No, it's an unidentified tag by the browser. So this line is skipping and your data comes in the plain format. H1 effect also missing, sir. That's why I said space important. So first official attribute, align equals to center. Now go to the web page, refresh it, sir. Now your heading is displaying in the center of the web page. Web page is center, remember that one, not center of the monitor. It's never displaying the center of the screen or it's never displaying the center of monitor. Somebody thinking like that only, sir. Center tag displaying the data in the center of the screen or center alignment is displaying like that. 100% wrong. I'll show that one, see. I'm reducing the size of the browser, see that. Now is it center of the monitor? Monitor center that one? No, but browser center, see that one. Center of the browser, not center of the monitor. When you are adjusting the size of your browser, the data is going to automatically set writing. Next, align equals to center is the only option, sir. No, sir, we have total 7 options. Align equals to, we can write total 7 values. Align left, align right, align center, align justify, align top, align middle, align bottom. Total 7 names. Anybody, can you say the 7 names? What I pronounced? Seven completed. No, 5 I completed. You said 5 only. Chicken biryani. Yeah. I'll type here, see that ones are in comments. I'll type in comments for your future reference. We have 7 types of alignments total. So one is left, second one is right, third one is center, fourth one is justify, next one top, next one middle, and the last one is bottom. These are the 7 possible alignments. These are the 7 possible alignments. In that one alignment we applied, that is center. Are you going to using these 7 options, sir? That today is not possible, sir, but future examples somewhere we are covering. Compulsory we are covering somewhere in the different places. Now my theory points explained, sir. But what happens after applying the attribute? H1 tag original alignment, change it to our required alignment. The actual alignment of the H1 is changed based on our instruction. So every attribute making some changes in the tag settings. Can you apply the right, sir? Yes, if I write the, so it comes the right side of the browser. Tide word in the let's screen కనిపించట్లేదు కదమ్మా. So this is the right side of the screen. Next, back to center. Next, I'm going to taking some paragraph. But HTML, if you take as a heading some small explanation. That's just rough data. A small paragraph I'm going to taking here. So what is the default alignment of paragraph, sir? That is also left only. We already completed 20 tags there approximately. A 20 tags data is always displaying the left side only. Now paragraph tag comes to left side, heading comes to center. Paragraph left side, sir, heading center. How can say paragraph left side only, sir? A right side lines observed now, one line forward, one line backward, up and downs available. Starting uniform available lines, but end of the lines so up and down zigzag process available. That zigzag process giving data available left side, so right side spaces are forming. But most of the scenarios, paragraphs, we have to use the justify. 99.99% of the scenarios, situations, print paragraphs always with the justify. Examples are your academic textbooks, justify only. Newspapers, justify. Novels, magazines, also justify. Your textbooks data explanation also justify only available. Example, for my textbooks, if you take it, left side uniformly starting lines are, or ending of the line also uniform, or like this up and down. Uniform. Novels also same, newspapers also sharply. A sharp starting, a sharp ending means uniform starting, uniform ending. That is called as the justification. Compulsory, sir, paragraphs justifications, sir. The print media guidelines, sir. Print media is available, no? DTP, that guidelines, that one. So now take the paragraph. Once again, align equals to justify. But now observe the paragraph ending. We'll get the clarity. This is our textbook's printing style. Left side is sharply available, right side also sharply available. Observe uniform printing style, justification. So overall, we used only one attribute up to now, but attributes settings are different. Next, go to the top of the program, sir. Last session, we already discussed one concept. One is the rel, second one is the href. These two also attributes only. Rel is also attribute and href is also attribute. Attributes are not done. Huh? These two are attributes, sir, not a sound. What we discussed is, sir, last half an hour onwards, attributes comes tag right side. Those are the tag right side or not? The attribute name equals to double quotations value. Syntax matching or not? Every attribute after space is available or not? Then these two also attributes. Link is the name of the tag. Rel is attribute. When okay, leave it. But align equals to center, rel equals to center. Appearance wise, any difference? Appearance, look wise, any difference? No. But alignment is center, sir. Obviously, rel is also center. Href attribute. And href is also attribute. So these are all attributes, sir. Is there any symbolic representation, sir, automatically to recognize, sir? Red colors. Attributes 99% it displaying in the red color. Tag names you know already. Which color? Blue color. Tags always printing in the blue color at value. Magenta is value. So attribute 1, attribute 2, and attribute 3. One more attribute I'm going to, this attribute is available. HTML, because syntax following tag name after space, double quotes, etc. Lang equals to English. Lang means language. EN means English. So I'm using in this browser. As a developer, I'm following the English language. English only, no? This one? French. English. So I'm developing the my page by using English language. And expected output format is also English only. That instruction we given to the browser. As a developer, I just given an instruction to the browser. Instead of English, can I go for any other languages, sir? If you have an idea, you can go it. I know French language, sir. Okay, very good. Language equals to FR. And design the web page in French format. Output also comes in French format. I know Arabic language, sir. Okay, go for AR. Arabic language. And now you can type the program in Arabic format and output also comes in Arabic format. All languages supported, sir. Mostly supported, sir. It supported most of world's languages. But how to type the Arabic, sir? Our keyboard is available in English format, sir. Yes, sir. Our keyboards mostly available in English only. But I want to design the web page in Arabic content, sir. Open Google. Arabic font software is available. Download the software, sir. Install it. Then we can start the typing. Best example, your WhatsApp. WhatsApp language changing option is there. When you change the language, keyboard also changing. Like that, in our computers also, software installations are available. Which language you want to work it? Download the language supporting software, install in the Windows, then the keyboard activation possible. But keyboard this only, sir. Yes, sir, keyboard English only. But if I change to Arabic language, when I'm typing the ABCD keys, Arabic letters are comes. You have full experience in WhatsApp, Gada? No, na. So WhatsApp you're not using, huh? Come. We open. We bolo no. WhatsApp we are not using, sir. It will work out. Huh? Hmm. And if flower not available, then only marker I use it. Otherwise, tomorrow I'll get one cabbage. Huh? Nowadays, small kids also using WhatsApp. Huh? Okay. Right now, I think we are going to using English, sir. Our page whole we are designing in English format, and expected output is also English format. So this instruction we are given to the browser. By chance, if I am not given this instruction, what happens, sir? Browser takes the default language. Browser it takes the default language. What is the default language, sir? English only. Because my system working based on English only. How you know that, sir, default language English or not? Very simple, sir. Now, operating system available at the time of OS installation time. It's asking country name or not? Select your country. Next, it is asking select your language or not? What you are selecting generally? English. Country? India. And long back, India not available. US we are selecting. United States. But now they added the India option also. So country India we are selecting. Language English we are selecting. That language browser using. So in our OS internally language settings are available, sir. Which language you selected there, that one browser using. No, this is risky process, sir. And better write yourself simply like this. But browser, they don't need to check in your OS. No chance to misunderstanding also. I'm clearly giving the instruction. So conclusion, sir. Language is one of the attribute. It is used to specify which language we are using in this website. That information given to the browser. Browser, as per the language, it is translating and producing the outputs. So total 4 attributes are there in this program. Lang, rel, href, and align. But these all attributes are which categories are? You just explain the types are available here. In that 4 attributes, 2 attributes are the global attributes and 2 attributes are the specific attributes. Total 4 I use in the 2 comes under the global and 2 comes under the specific. Which one, sir? Align, language are the global attributes. Align and language is the global attribute. Rel and href is the specific attributes. Rel and href is the specific attributes and align is the global attribute. Lang is also global attribute. On which basis you can design that one, sir? Coming to that one only. We have some 16 to 18 tags knowledge, sir. 6 heading tags, 1 paragraph, or 6 formatting tags. 6 formatting tags, 6 headings, 1 paragraph, 13. And 2 outdated tags, 15. But all these 15 programs output to left side. All these 15 tags output is left side. But can I use the align on these 15 tags or not? Can I apply the alignment to center on that 15 tags? Possible or not possible? Possible. But align supported by one tag or most of the tags? Most of the tags. Most of supporting us, sir, that is called as global setting. Most of supporting, that is called as global setting. And most of not supporting, sir, 1 tag or 5 tags or 10 tags only supporting, sir, that becomes as a specific to the particular tag. But HTML subject is a common subject or specific to Java students, sir? It's a common subject. Java students, they need the HTML. .NET students, they need the HTML. Python students, they need the HTML. PHP students, they need the HTML. Angular, React, Node.js students also, they need the HTML. But HTML global subject are related to only one technology. Global, like that. So I belongs to all. Not only Java, not only .NET, not only Python. I'm the open subject belongs to all of these. That is called as global. Next is some subjects available, sir. Others that doesn't require. Particular subject only required. Particular technology only supporting. Like that, this rel and href is are the related to link tag. Because some more tags also supporting, sir, but not most of the tags. So global meaning what, sir, and which attributes are supported by most of the tags? Which attributes are supported by most of HTML tags? Those called as global attributes. Those are called global attributes. So maximum tags, they are supporting these attributes. Maximum means how much is are below 100, above 80-90% of the tags. Then what about the specifics, are reverse of this sentence? The specific is reverse of this sentence. Which attributes are supported by few HTML tags? Those called as the specific. So meaning or definition is this one, sir. A few minutes back, I raised one FAQ as explain about the core attributes or explain about the global attributes. You just say this sentence. And immediately they're asking example also. Which attributes are examples of this one, sir? Writing that examples for your convenience. Align is one of the global attribute. Lang is one of the global attribute. Width, height, width and height is also global attribute. Color is also global attribute. Color also. ID, name, class, etc. Some of global attributes examples. Some of global attributes examples. Now my small doubt, sir. These attributes, most of HTML tags are supported or few tags are supported? Most of HTML tags. Same point in another way, formation. We can use these attributes with the combination of most of HTML tag. We can use these attributes with the combination of most of HTML tags. 90% of HTML tags, they supported this global, sir. Then what about the specifics, sir? Rel is one of the specific. Next, href is also one of the specific. Next one, target is also one of the specific. Next one, action. Then method, action, and then method. All these are the specific only. Next, ALT. Next, source. ALT. And next one is SRC, source. Next one, call span. Next one, row span, etc. So these are the sum of specific attributes list. What is the specialization of these, sir? These attributes are supported by the few tags of HTML. Few means count, can you say, sir? No, sir, count not possible. Because some attributes 2 tags are supported. Some attributes 5 tags are supported. Suppose get a row span, call span options available, last two. That attributes are supported by only one tag, that is table tag. Except the table tags, we can't use these attributes because it's meaningless. Reason, rows, columns, generally where it is available? Table only. So this is row span and this one is the column span. So columns related setting, rows related settings. Columns and rows available generally in tables. So these settings purely belongs to tables. It is single tag. That is the meaning. Next, the first one rel I wrote it, na sir. Rel supported by only link tag. Rel is supported by only link tag. 100 HTML tags available. In that one tag it is supporting. But the specific global specific. Like that here, what are the list I given? All these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 oddly single digit tags only supported, sir. Single digit and below 10 tags. Below 10 tags is supported. But these are all, sir, 90 tags are supported. These are all 90 tags supported. These are all below 10 tags are supported. But these 2 tags I already used in the program, sir. You also observe the output. The future we are going to working so many attributes. It's just starting, that's all. Next, what about the third model, sir? Event attributes and also called as the dynamic attributes. So what is this specialization, sir? Event attributes generally used for JavaScript. JavaScript coding part. But I have one HTML page. So this HTML page, they want to call the JavaScript program. Or this HTML page, they want to execute the JavaScript logic. Possible, sir? Yes, sir. HTML to JavaScript interaction is provided by these event attributes. See that a small thing here. Let me just put this one. So suppose this is our HTML page or page. The page contains some headings or some buttons, some images, some links like this, sir. The web page. Web page. But when I click on this button or when I click on this link, sir, I want to call some JavaScript logic. Whatever it may be. Calculations are, data checkings are, if conditions are, for loops are, some logic I want to call it. 100% possible, sir, with the support of event attributes. Global attributes, no. Specific attributes, no. A separate list of attributes available, those called as the event attributes. So what is the purpose of event attributes? To call a JavaScript logic or to execute a JavaScript code from our HTML page. Both are not same as, sir. HTML different technology, sir. JavaScript different technology. HTML is a markup language. JavaScript is a scripting language. Two different subjects invented by two different scientists, released in the 2 different dates also. HTML who developed? Tim Berners-Lee, released in the year of 1993. JavaScript is developed by the Brandon Eck, and it was released in the 1995. And which company releases the JavaScript, sir? Navigator company, sir, Netscape company. Right now, I think it is called as Mozilla. Current days, I think company name Mozilla. So different softwares, different purposes, and different scientists also. So JavaScript programming is different. HTML programming is different. Our course included the both things also. Right now, we started journey with HTML. HTML completed, we are moving to JavaScript also. So lastly, once again, I'm repeating the points that from our HTML page, if I want to call the JavaScript program, or if I want to run the JavaScript logic, take the support of event attributes. Take the support of event attributes. Simple things are a small funny example. Get a fan rotating. When this fan was rotated, whenever you press the switch, right? Like a switchboard available already. The switchboard contains number of switches. If you press one switch, fan rotating. If you press the another switch, light is going to switching on, right? A switch is called as the event attribute. This is JavaScript. Where is HTML? Switches event attributes. Fan lights JavaScript. Where is HTML? Huh? You understand like that, huh? Switchboard amma. Switches where it is available? On the top of the board. If buttons where it is available? On the top of the web page. Your web page is switchboard. Switches buttons. Login button, sign in button, search button, submit button, reset buttons, variety buttons available. Every button equivalents to one switch. A box web page. When I press the buttons on the web page, background JavaScript running like that. This is the link between the HTML to JavaScript. This total it's working based on the Newton's third formula. No, not Newton's third formula. Every action there is equals to opposite reaction. That is only this one. When I press the switches, result fan rotating. Action pressing switch, reaction rotating of the fan. Newton's third formula name. So concept is this one, sir. So event attributes. Event attributes are used to invoke JavaScript or to execute JavaScript code from HTML pages. So what is the purpose of event attributes? I explain in this sentence. Event attributes are used to invoke the JavaScript, or event attributes are used to execute the JavaScript code. From where, sir? From our HTML pages. Nothing but an web pages. Maybe you have some doubts, sir, I think. Why we have to call the JavaScript, sir? Why we should run the JavaScript, sir? That all the things in JavaScript introduction point we are going to covering. We are focusing on attributes, not on the JavaScript. Small example, in our websites, calculations available or not? Some of the websites, EMI calculators providing, some of the websites, bill calculations providing, but that calculations are the part of the JavaScript only, not by the HTML. Reason, HTML contains only tags. Tag can do the addition, sir. No. Tag can do the division, sir. No. Tag can design the data, but unable to do the calculations. A calculations part should comes from the JavaScript only. Designing from HTML, markup from CSS, coding from the JavaScript. Your demo sessions, remember these sentences? Content prepared by the HTML. Markup is applied by the CSS. And coding part is provided by the JavaScript. Okay, sentence is this one. Can you give the example, sir? And a list of event attributes. On click is one of the Java event attribute. On click, on load, on focus, on blur, on change, on submit, on copy, on paste, on cut, on DBL click, on DBL click, next on key press, on key press, next one on context menu, on context menu, on mouse move, on mouse move, on mouse over, on mouse out, dot to dot to dot to. We have nearly 25 to 30 attributes like this, sir. More than 25 is available. So these are the event attributes. One point observed, anybody? On. So that is a symbolic representation for sir. Reason, when you are observing any others program or any website, this is normal attribute, event attribute. How can recognize it, sir? On. Previous attributes, no on observed. Normal, just straight words only. But here uniformly every word before on is available. That is the indication to developers. Easy to recognize, easy to identify. Attribute name is starts with on. Oh, they are calling some JavaScript. Blindly. No second thought. It's an event attribute and they are calling background some JavaScript. But these are the things I just given the list, sir. We are not working on this one. With just awareness purpose, so 2 points I'm going to showing. 2 events. One event I'm going to showing on load. Another event I'm going to showing on click. These 2 I'm going to showing. But rest of things are in original JavaScript. We are discussing those all are. Get attributes point wise. I'm explaining. So in the same program, I'm adding the one more line, H2 tag. The message, sir, click here. Message is click here. So this type of message, we observed so many cases in our websites, right? When you are seeing like that, sir, users generally clicking on that one. If you click on that, compulsory background, some logic executing. That logic or JavaScript logic. Where we have to write it, sir. Space on click equals to, here we can write the JavaScript code. A double quotations inside, we can write directly JavaScript code, sir. If you have already some knowledge about the JavaScript support, write calculations, so if conditions, so for loop, or while loop, or switch cases, anything you can write it. No, sir, we don't have any JavaScript knowledge, sir. Simply write a small printing step. It's better. In that part, JavaScript part. I'm going to printing a small message. Message I'm printing. Document dot write followed by hello world. This is our JavaScript part, sir. What is this, sir? It's one of the predefined function of the JavaScript. Document.write is one of the predefined function of the JavaScript. It is used for printing the data on web page. Comparison is there, sir. Other languages we have printf function. C, C++, Java, something languages printf available. Similarly, in JavaScript, document.write. That all I'm saying here. This is one of the predefined or built-in JavaScript function used for printing the data on web page. If you want to print any content on the web page through JavaScript, use this function. Now go and check it, sir. The message available. So take the mouse and click on here. How many clicks? One click or double click? One click, a normal click. When I click there, it calls the JavaScript. JavaScript responded like this. That is the output produced by JavaScript. But in the same message, if you write the prime number logic, sir, prime number output, it will comes. In the same place, if you write the natural sum logic, sir, natural sum result is comes. In the same place, if you write the swapping of numbers logic, sir, swapping result, it will comes. No, we don't have that much of knowledge in JavaScript. Then only we just printing the hello. But how to come back to previous screen, sir? Click on refresh button. Click on refresh button. We'll come back to previous screen once again. Can I click one more time or not? Yes, sir. The switchboard, any number of times you can press like this. No objections. Until to damage the switch, you can continuously press like this. Huh? So click again, refresh, click, refresh, click, refresh, click, refresh, click, refresh, click, refresh, click, refresh. Any number of times you can click. Whenever you click on that, every time JavaScript is responding. Whenever I press the button, every time this fan reacting. Like that, that is also same process. So is it our HTML page or not? Yes, this page they called internally JavaScript. Next, one more event I am writing, sir, for more understandability. Nodes I already shared here. This is our body tag. Onload. Onload. What is meaning, sir? Whenever my web page is opening, whenever my web page is loading inside the browser, I want to display the message to user, welcome to my website. Some websites they're displaying, sir, especially SBI Bank. When you're logging into successfully SBI Bank, sir, welcome messages comes. In that welcome message inside, last time when you did the activity, a date and time also showing. Onlinesbi.com website is available, that one. So some websites, when you are opening the very first time, sir, welcome message boxes comes. I want to display that welcome message. Then only this is onloading. Loading in the sense your web page opening. Yes, it's going to opening, sir. Now display the message to user, welcome to my website. So right here, double quotations, write again some JavaScript, anything. I'm writing here one more small thing, sir, alert. What is this alert, sir? Another predefined function of the JavaScript, another library function of the JavaScript. You already said document.write, sir. JavaScript providing the tons of predefined functions, sir. HTML providing tags, JavaScript providing functions. All are functions in JavaScript, like as your C programming. So what I'm calling here, sir, another predefined function, alert. If you don't know about the alert, nothing problem, sir. If you don't know about the document.write, nothing problem. You just focus attribute working or not. I'm focusing on this attribute, not focusing on the JavaScript. Compulsory somebody raising questions, sir, I don't know what is alert, sir. Yes, you don't know because I'm not explained. I'll follow blindly that one. You just focus, this is working or not, that's all. Alert followed by message. What is the message, sir? Welcome to my website. Welcome to my home, welcome to my college, and something weird like that, welcome to my website. So when you are expecting this message, when you are expecting this message, when you are opening the website, See that I'm freshly opening the website. This is browser. Here we are typing the address, regular program address. Press enter. Generally web page is opens, right? Before opening the page content, a box comes. A small alert box is comes. That is. The white color box is there, na? This is called as alert box. Inside that, what is the message? Welcome to my website. Now, if you click on OK, your content display. Well, again, when it will comes that box, when you refresh this page or when you open the next time this web page, I'm going to opening again, sir. No problem. When you are entering into my website, every time I'm going to displaying that message. Refresh it, sir. Again, box comes. The white color box is called as the alert box. So these are the mainly two categories of attributes. One type of attributes are helping to call the JavaScript, and one type of attributes are helping to make the settings changes. It is starting only. Every day we are going to working these attributes. Attributes not completed, sir. Today started. When attributes are completing, sir, last day of your HTML. Every day we are going to learning the new tags, attributes, new tags, new attributes. Day to day, the count increasing, sir. It's just to trailer ante. This is just a trailer. So that's all about the today's explanation, sir. And tomorrow we'll continue it. And tomorrow I'll provide the Google Classroom link also. Thank you all. Enders of the class is he is the.